Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install OnlyOffice on Linux. So at the beginning we have to go into the browser and we will go on the official OnlyOffice site in order to see the steps that we need to do. So I will type in OnlyOffice for Linux like this and I will press enter. As you can see, we have official OnlyOffice site right there, so we can click on that. And right there we have some options. The first one is Windows, macOS, and of course third one is Linux. We will use Linux, so I will press on that. And we can accept all. And here we have desktop editor for Linux. So now, what we need to do, we need to know our distribution. So I will use this one because I'm on the Ubuntu distribution, or it also works for Debian. If you are using the different distribution, you can use different one. If you are using distribution that is not here, you can use, for example, AppImage. It should also work. So I will use this one, and I will press on AMD 64, and we have to wait for it to be downloaded because it is 400 megabytes. So as you can see, it's 30 seconds left, and of course we have to go into terminal because we will do some things in the terminal because this is a deb file. As you can see right there, this is a deb file, so you have to simply install it from terminal. I think this is the best way. So, few seconds left. As you can see, it is completed, so we can move to the terminal. And in the terminal, we can go into downloads to make it a little bit more comfortable. So I will leave that, and as you can see, right there we have OnlyOffice desktop editors AMD64.deb. We have to install it. How can we do it? We can do it by typing in sudo apt install, and now we have to writing something similar to running the script. So // and right there only office and so on. I can fill it by pressing tab on my keyboard. So OnlyOffice minus desktop editors AMD64.deb. We can click enter, and of course we have to type in the password. And now we have to wait for our OnlyOffice to be installed. So do you want to continue? We can press yes because we are agreeing for everything right now. As you can see, it is on 42%, so we have to wait. And after it, I will show you how to launch OnlyOffice in two ways: from the application, from the icon, or from the terminal by using the command. So we have to wait. As you can see, it might freeze for some time, but it is okay. It should be like this because right now we have to do a package configuration. So we have to agree for that. You can choose OK by pressing right arrow on your keyboard, and you have to press enter. And right now, in order to install this package, you must accept the license terms, the TrueType core fonts for the web and so on. So do you accept this license terms? We have to accept that because without it, not accepting this will cancel the installation, so we have to press yes. Of course, we can switch that by pressing right and left arrow on the keyboard. So I will press enter, and now we have to wait for it to be finished. As you can see, it is pretty fast right now. So %. And as you can see, all done, no error, so everything is good. And as I said before, we have two ways to open it. The first one is by pressing this OnlyOffice icon right there. You can click on that, wait a moment, and your OnlyOffice is working. The second one is by typing in command, but it is a little bit complicated, and maybe no. You have to simply run this. This is the name of our application, OnlyOffice minus desktop editors, like this. So I can type in OnlyOffice minus desktop editors, like this, and I can press enter. Yes, I made the mistake, right? Spelling mistake right there. It should be OnlyOffice, like this. And as you can see, it is also working. Well, we can use our OnlyOffice. So this is all in this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.